Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 511? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Fire Stick. You mostly get error code 511 on the TVMate IPTV Player app. To fix the issue, first of all, power cycle the device by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds to a minute and then plugging it back in. This can often resolve temporary connectivity issues. Method 2. Check IPTV subscription status. Ensure your app service subscription is active and not expired. Contact your provider if you need to renew or reactivate your account. Method 3. Test internet connection. Perform a speed test on the Fire Stick to verify you have a stable, high-speed internet connection. Poor connectivity can trigger the 511 error. Open settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now, select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now, run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Method 4. Use a VPN. If you are not using a VPN service, you can connect to one, as this can help bypass any network restrictions or blocks from your ISP that may be causing the 511 error. If you are already using one, then disable it and see if this could help resolve the issue. Method 5. Clear app cache and data. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications. Then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data as per your system options. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 6. Reinstall the IPTV app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the IPTV app on the Fire Stick. This can help reset the app and resolve any underlying issues. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 7. Update Fire Stick firmware. Ensure your Fire Stick is running the latest software version, as updates can address known bugs and compatibility problems. Go to Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now, check for updates on your Fire TV. After that, you can update your Fire TV to the latest version. Follow as shown. Once done, the issue might be resolved. And there you have it, the ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 511. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.